Okay, so I saw a mailman drop off a package. If it is what I think it is I'm doing this for evidence, as there's too many scams going around these days, especially with eBay, and I think this guy might be scamming me. I'm not sure, because he returned a very good product I sold to him, and he says it wasn't as described, so I won't be surprised if he returned some other piece of crap in here and wants to get my product for free and have eBay or PayPal give him his money back. So yeah, so that's the information that I received. Where is it? Right here. He paid $15, going to me. Here's his address, Gaurav Gupta, United States Postal Buckyberry. Yeah, okay. So the seal, as you can tell, I don't know, it's hard to see. And the reflection's still there. I just got it from the mailman. It's about an afternoon on a beautiful Friday day. Yeah, there's a seal. It's there, unopened priority mail. Let's see the side. There's a seal still there. There's a seal still here. Okay, so let's open it up real quick. Let me find my blade. Where do I have my blade? Where did I have my blade? Let's see. I have my blade somewhere here. Where's my blade? Come on, you kidding me? I had a blade somewhere here. Where's my blade? I need my blade. Is it here? We're doing a garage project. We're painting the walls, so that's why everything is like a mess. I can't find my tools because everything has been misplaced, moved a million times over. I guess I'll use a screwdriver, who cares? Oh, there's a blade. I might be blind. Anyway, so we're back to the package. As you can tell, the seal is still there. Let's pop this one open right there. It's hard to do it one-handed and filming. Did I get it? Okay. It's apart now. Okay, let's get this side. Oh, wasn't recording. Okay. Is that cut through? One more slice here. Okay. Okay, that one's all the way through. Let's do this one. Okay. Okay, we're open. Let's see what we got inside. Let's see if it's my product or he sent me some pile of bricks or something, or a venomous snake. I don't know. You never know what to expect these days from people. People are not people anymore. Oh, he put some bubble wrap in there. That's great. Is that dust or something? That's kind of wore off. Remember it being that way. What is it? He sent me EX DC for digital camera, DC 30mm. Don't remember if that hole was there. 30mm 40C. The box seems to be okay shape. No venomous snake here. Okay. Now, let's open this thing. That's the big question, whether it's my lens inside. It's supposed to be a 30mm Sigma lens for DC, some converter, I don't know, for Canon. Well, that's a baggie. Looks like my thing. What we got there? We got paperwork. We got some, probably, well, what is that? Julius Kovlade 186. I don't know what this is. This is my receipt. Oh yeah, it's my receipt when it was bought. Yeah. Didn't even know it was in there, but okay, cool. Okay, let's see the lens. This is the mining item. Come on. Okay, we got it. Dun 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 dun. Let's see what we got here. We got a filter, or whatever that is, sunshade. Doesn't seem to be broken. or anything. Whoops, and this is the lens, EX Sigma. That's the proper lens, I think, because I remember these white warp markings. Faded paint here. Does it still have the filter? Yes, it does. It does have the ND filter that turns lighter and darker whenever you need to. It's hard to see it here. There you go, you can see it got lighter and got darker. Okay, that's the ND filter, and now let's see, no cracked glass. No broken contacts. Okay, I mean, I'll have to test it out on the camera, but so far it seems to be legit. He did send my lens back. So may this be a lesson to you guys, whoever is buying stuff online, to be video recording all your transactions, opening or shipping or dropping off or whatever you're doing, because there's so many shady people out there. They just love scamming people. And they'll ship you your product back, and if you don't have evidence opening it up, well, too bad. PayPal or eBay are not gonna give you your money back. You're, as the word goes, poop out of luck. And you'll be stuck with a pile of bricks, or before I have received items such as chains, even like a chain from a motorcycle to counterweight the weight, to counterbalance, to offset the weight. So it seems that they send you your product, but in reality it wasn't your product, and you have no way of proving it because they say, hey look, the weight checks out, it was pretty heavy. So hope this was helpful for somebody, but luckily for me, the dude did return my lens, which he bought by mistake. PayPal ruled it in his favor and allowed him to return it, and I lost my money on shipping label, shipping to this douchebag. He knew what he was buying and said, hey, we received the wrong product. I'm like, what do you mean? You knew what you were buying, pictures were there, description was there, title was there, and he still shipped it back. So unfortunately that's how the world works, especially for eBay and PayPal. They're a bunch of douchebags, son of a guns. They don't care about their sellers, only for their buyers. And buyers can scam you all they want, and they're still gonna get away with it and get your money, and you will be left holding a bunch of bricks or motorcycle chains in your hands, as it almost happened to me, but luckily I recorded it and PayPal gave me my money back. So that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Hope this will be helpful for somebody.